Hello everyone, my name is Shobhik Shankar Mitra, and today I am here again to demonstrate you about the two new features of Corona India chatbot. So first of all, I want to thank all of you to make this page more than 100 likes. So thank you people. I hope you like this chatbot, and I hope you also share this chatbot to all other people. So today I am going to demonstrate you about the two new features that I have added in this chatbot. So let's get started. So all of you know that on 1st of May the central government of India released a list of districts where the districts are to be classified as red zone, orange zone and green zone. So in my chatbot you can easily got to know that your district is under which zone. So to do it, at first you have to click on check district stats. So it will show you about a list of states in which you want to search. Here I am giving WB means the West Bengal. So it will show you a list of districts in West Bengal. So let's say I want to search in South 24 Parganas. Make sure that the spelling you are typing of districts should be same with that spelling shown here. So I am searching here South 24 Parganas. So here it will ask about my confirmation, and then it will show the stats of South 24 Parganas. It will also show you that South 24 Parganas is in under a red zone, and also it will show you some guidelines from central government about the activity that is allowed under a green zone, orange zone and a red zone. So in this way you can search for any district and got to know that the district is under which zone. So this is one feature. Now I am telling you about a different feature that I have added in my chatbot. So the next feature that I will be discussing here is call zone. Means that the central government divided the districts under red zone, orange zone and green zone, but the state government also divided the red zone into small containment zones. I have heard that many people don't know that their locality is under containment zone or not. So for this reason I have added this functionality in my chatbot. So here you got to know that which is your nearest containment zone and what is your nearest containment zone and the distance from your location to that containment zone. This feature is available only for Kolkata now, but in future I'll add this feature for many different metro cities. So to get started, at first you have to type call zone. Then it will ask you about your location. One thing that I'll want to tell you that I've heard from many users that if you are using this chatbot from Android phone, means from Facebook Messenger, then this link will take you to a website, and there the location is not detected correctly. So by default this link actually is opening in Facebook browser. So the Facebook browser actually doesn't allow you to access the location. So I'll advise you that you please go to your profile in Facebook Messenger, then go to photos and media and then enable open links in default browser. After that this link will open in the Google Chrome or your default browser in your phone, and then your location will be correctly accessed. So now I'll go to this link and it will show you about my latitude and longitude here. So now I'll paste my latitude in my chatbot, and then it'll ask me about longitude, and I'll paste my longitude here, and then it will show me about my nearest containment zone. So you'll see that my nearest containment zone is Kolupara lane, and the distance from my location to that containment zone is 0.66 kilometer. So in this way you can get that what is your nearest containment zone, also you can get that the distance from the containment zone to you. So thank you very much. Again I am telling that feel free to use this chatbot, and thank you for your support. Keep liking like that, and please share if you like this chatbot. Thank you.